I just want to send you a message to remind you all about the ATLAB mobile app making competition. In this competition, you can create an app while learning about computer programming. Once you register here on the ATLAB competition's website, you will receive 3 free lessons that will show you how to make your very own mobile phone application. You will be shown how to make your app on the MIT App Inventor website. So here you see the MIT App Inventor website. You will learn how to acquire basic programming skills, control screen layouts, and even how to develop algorithms. By the end of the competition, you could win some great prizes also. To enter the competition, you need to go to atlabme.com/competitions. The link for this website will be posted below. You must register before the 30th of June, so be quick. You see here, there's only 13 days, 21 hours left at the moment. So if you're interested in this competition, hurry up and register now. The entry costs 100 dirham only. The competition is for students aged 9 to 20 years old. So for middle school, 9 to 14 years, and for high school and university, 15 to 20 years. So 2 separate competitions. Finally, this competition is exciting and a fun way to learn new things with ATLAB. I encourage you to consider joining this ATLAB competition for your chance to win some fantastic prizes. Best of luck, everyone.